Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we implemented a use case scenario based on conditions. In this video, we will learn about nested conditions in Power Automate. Here, we will use the flow which we have created previously. We will move this false condition step before the conditions. Now, we will add another condition within the true condition. Now, the condition that we want to implement is if the submitted amount is greater than 5000, then we will create a calendar event. We will add the action for the same, that is create event. Now we will specify the details required in this action. It will be started after 1 day from now. As we have used add minutes and added 10, it means that it will be finished after 10 minutes it is started. Now we will save and test this flow. The person's name is Priyansh Falvaria and he is submitting an amount of 7000 rupees. Now it is visible that this flow ran successfully. As it is visible, we have received this message in Teams chat and we have successfully received the email and the event also got created in the calendar. And that's it. We have successfully implemented this flow. In the next video, we will learn about switch statements in Power Automate. See you again. Thank you for watching.